Hello, I am Young Xian. First, let's to successfully import data into a data frame. I'm going to use a read CSV. Yeah. And just to check the data from the file, I'm going to use the head method. And it will show up 5 rows. And to display shape and summary statistics of the data, just use a shaping method, and it's going to show up 50 rows and 7 columns. And to describe, to a summary statistics, I'm going to use describing method. So it shows count, the mean, standard, deviation, minimum 25%, 50%, 75%, and maximum. Also 7 colors from X1 to X7. My DF is no method shows if there are any unknown values. So it shows up like that, all information. And plot the data using matplotlib analyst to different the chart types. So I'm going to use inline, and I'm going to show first bar type, and the size is going to be 15 width and 10 height. Yeah, and it shows up like that. And another one is going to be line. So 15 width and 10 height. Yeah, shows that. To split the data into training and testing sets, I'm going to use the NumPy and my DF locate from first to last one, but except for x1 x1 value. Yeah, and it shows up like that, except for x1. And for the x1 values, I'm going to save to y. And also y is here. And to train that, I'm going to split x train y x task, y train y task, train, and I'm going to use train task split method, both put x and y values, and the size going to be 0.25, which is 25%. And to train a linear regression model using the sklearn library, with training data, yeah, I'm going to import the linear regression, and I'm going to put x train and y train because we're going to train the linear regression. And it shows our linear regression method successfully. And to test the trained model, I'm going to use regression and just use predict method, put the x test value by making predictions. Also, I'm going to show the the chart graph. Just put the now, and this is going to be, of course, y task, and we're going to predict. So I'm going to put prediction, and let's put prediction method and y prediction method, and it shows up like that. To check and display the performance of the model with mean squared error. So I'm going to import the metrics from sklearn. It will show, and also I'm going to use mean squared error method, but I'm going to put y task and y prediction, and it shows 61,700 32. Also, to display the performance of the graph, I'm going to use line first, and 15 width and 10 height. It shows up like that, and I'm going to use bar as well, and it shows up like that. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you for watching.